Thanks for joining back, friends. It's been such a long time since I last fished. I've been golfing like crazy, but I'm gonna make up for lost time. Today I'm going to share you a trade secret of mine that I've developed. It's a concept, but I've developed about 6 years ago, and I've been catching a lot of crappie with it. You don't need a boat to catch crappie. It's winter, it's December right now, it's approaching Christmas, it's 40 degrees out, but tonight it will be 27, so it'd be pretty cold. I'm in Belmont, North Carolina, fishing hole actually known as the hot hole. So we'll be fishing from a pier. Any pier would do, but a pier like this one here. But the secret in catching crappie, to give yourself better rods in catching your limit, you know, putting more fish in your bucket, these what I have in my hand here, the PVC pipe, they're 2 inches, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing with these to give yourself a setup where you have better chance in catching fish. So what I did was I went to Home Depot. You can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, anywhere they sell PVC pipe. It's 2-inch diameter, maybe 2 inches, and I've cut about 18 inches, well 16 to be exact, and I put reflective tape here for a reason. Actually, sometimes I don't bring a tape measure, but I know from here, this end to this tape here is 8 inches, which is the legal limit size, the minimum legal size for crappie. So I know it's a measuring tape from here to here if I don't have anything to measure with. But what I did was I made a little knot here. I mean, you don't need to do this, but basically I've attached 2 feet bungee cord. I attach it with straps so it doesn't fall down. What you want to do is you want to come here, swing this around, lock that in place, and same thing here, lock that in place, and same thing with the other one. And if you don't have this knot here, you can actually hook it down here. It will stay in place, no problem, but I like that right there. So what this I've already set up, what this allows me is you can fish very small space and cover lots of water. Let me show you. I have 4 poles. I have 2 of my poles is 6 feet, my other 2 is 12 feet. So what I want to do, I can do this, I can do that, same thing here. So this allows me to fish, you know, 4 to 5 feet of space. So I want to be considerate just in case other folks want to come and fish. You don't want to take up a lot of space with 4 poles. And you can even move it closer. They actually won't snag. I've had as many as 6 poles out. It depends how brave I want to be that evening, but I've got 4 today. So so basically it's rigged up with a bobber, a sinker down the bottom with different depths. I know the water down there, it ranges from 3 feet to about 7 feet, but the deep side is 12 feet. And I know I won't be able to reach 12 feet down there. So basically I want to drop my bobber down. I'm going to do with all of them. All right. Of course I'll have bait, but I want to drop that in the water. Just like that. I'm going to do that with all of them. So this allows me to fish. It's almost like a square. I have a square or a rectangle in shape. So I'll drop that down. Of course I will have bait on it. This is just a demonstration, so there's no bait. I'll use live minnows. Same thing there. So in the evening, when you fish, you have a setup down here that's kind of a, this might be a trapezoid, but let's just say a square or rectangle. So you know if one of these bobber are out of place, there's a fish on that line. So you want to set the hook and bring the fish up. So that's how you do it. You cover lots of space. More water, more presentation leads to more fish in your bucket. So that's my setup, and hopefully that's clear enough where you can do something like this with any pier. It could be at the beach, actually. Ocean fishing pier. You know, you bring your own rod holders here and it stays pretty secure, and there you have it. But right now I'm waiting for it to get dark, but I'm just setting up just to show you. So when it gets dark, I'll put some lights out and hopefully I can see and catch some fish for y'all. One last thing I failed to mention. Why do I have this rope here, string here, right? Rope? There's a good reason. I've lost quite a few tubes trying to tie this tube up, and I drop and I can't retrieve it. But now, since I've gone a little bit smarter, I've attached this cord here, so when this falls in the water, I have a better chance of retrieving it with, you know, a lure, so it will snag onto here or anywhere in there. So you have a better chance to retrieve your rod holder if you have this in between. If not, then you will likely be losing your rod holder. So that's a tip. If you look, 1 2 3 4, you don't need to put the bobber all the way into the water. It could be touching the surface or right above it, because there's a little bit of current. I don't want the current to push it. So see how it's perfectly squared up? That's how you want it. And if one of these guys move to the right or to the left out of line, that means there's a fish on whichever bobber moves away from that square. Oh, here's one. First catch. He's small though. We'll free him. So one of the fundamental things that I do whenever I'm fishing or whenever I'm doing anything really, I go through a mental preparation as well as a physical preparation. So it's very important when I'm out here fishing. The last thing that should be on my mind is hunger. So I stopped and got me some KFC original on the way here, and I'm gonna have my dinner now, I guess. So when the fish is biting, I don't want to be thinking about food. Or when the fish is not biting, I don't want to be thinking about food. Hot sauce. And don't eat fast. Oh shit. Oh, they're coming now. They're coming now. Oh, it's a big one. What the hell is this? Must be a bass. Oh, catfish. I knew it was a catfish. Doggone it. Oh, God. Spotted catfish. Well, I'm not here for you, buddy. There's a fish on that one. See it moving? There you go. Yes. That's how you catch crappie. That's a good one. yes. I tell you, I get the same excitement every time. It never seems to amaze me. Oh yeah, fish. Oh, God. I swallowed it. Nine inches. Here we go. Oh, get it, get it, get it. Oh, white perch? No. I don't want you today. Same one. I swallowed it. Good game one down. Oh man, 30 seconds. I think it's 8 already. 8 or 7. Okay, buddy. Got you. I got you. Oh, that's a good one. That's 9. Fish in no time at all. Drop this one. Oh my God. This is 10. Quite perfect, guys. Oh, it's a crappie. Yeah, 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 man. Oh, yeah. All right, 9. No, 10. Look. All right, try it again. 10. Get in there, buddy. Oh my God. This is 11. I swallowed it. This is a nice fish. Alright. I've got 2 poles. I've only got got 2 poles in the water. I didn't get a chance to put bait in the other one. Caught it back to back. Okay, here we go. Alright, don't go nowhere yet. Don't go nowhere yet, buddy. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Oh, baby. Delicious. Oh, the big one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Look at that beauty. Oh, I just dropped one down. There we go. Yes. Yeah, baby. It's getting bigger and bigger. Oh my God. You are beautiful. My man there. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Oh man. Keeps getting better. I love it. Wow, he swallowed. Ouch. I have to know how much fish I have. I don't want to go over the limit here. Should have at least 10. 632 right now. Let's count it. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No, wait a minute. Just recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 3 more to go, people. 3 more to go. Oh, shit. I just finished counting my fish. All right, 18. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Oh, it's deep. I normally, this is how I remove the hook. Go underneath the gills, and I look down, I can see it, and I twist, and it's out. It's 18. Well, friends, it's about 7:10 now. I've only caught 18 fish. The last 30 minutes has been a dry spell. I think I'm going to call it the night. It's been pretty productive. 18, I'm pretty satisfied. Hopefully y'all find this video enjoyable and informative, and hopefully you can use the rig that I'm using today to catch yourself some hardy crappie. I appreciate you guys joining me tonight.